You know how to be defending yourself outside that. I actually applied cream this morning before I left the house. I don't know why my skin is looking dry now. That is the reason. That moisturizer is lightweight. It is not thick enough. And harmattan should not be the excuse why you are caught outside with dry skin. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching. My name is Ruth and I do all things beauty, skincare and lifestyle. It's Vlogmas season guys, and I initially promised I was going to be dropping a new video every day for 25 days, but I did it for one day and I stopped for one reason or the other. Actually, I've been under the weather, like I've been feeling really sick, and so I couldn't continue and I just deleted all the other posts. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but yeah, I still have to be consistent. So that's by the way, guys. Christmas is in the air. I'm going to say Christmas is in the air. We mean the season, right? This period is when it is always cold. It is Amatan. Yes, Amatan for people in this part of the world. I would say in Africa, and in other part of the world, it is winter, right? It's always cold, and so this period is the time where you want to take extra care of your skin, especially if you have dry skin, because even people with oily skin are not even finding it easy, not to talk of we, I'm in that category, not talk of we that have dry skin. You go out, you are well moisturized, and you go out in 5 minutes, your skin is already looking very dry, your lips is already very chapped, so you want to switch up your skincare. Yes, you want to switch up your skincare. And guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not going to lie. Harmattan is actually my best season of the year. It's my best season of the year because Harmattan is when skincare works the best. Because everywhere is cold, the sun is hardly out. The skincare works better, but you have to take extra care of your skin. You want to switch up your skin care, you want to switch up your product. You need products that are thicker in consistency. That lightweight moisturizer that you are using, even if you have an oily skin, please keep it till when it is like rainy season, hot season, like when it is sunny and all that. Just keep them. But now in this period, you want to use products that are rich. Yes, products that are rich in consistency. This is the E45 lotion. This product is so rich and creamy. Yes, that's a rich and creamy consistency. You want to switch to shea butter, Vaseline, body oil, in fact, lip oil to avoid chapped and dry lips. You want to switch to all these things. So guys, I'm going to be giving you tips as well as products that you can use to take better care of your skin in this Harmattan period. First of all, you want to avoid taking hot showers. Yes, I know it can be very tempting. The weather is dry, everywhere is cold, and you can't use cold water to take your bath. Yes, but please avoid taking hot showers. Hot showers will further dry out your skin, and the weather already is drying, so taking hot showers will further dry out your skin. So what you want to do is opt for a warmer shower, like a warmer water to take your bath, also have your shower. Now another tip, this one is to prevent getting dry, cracked, chapped lips. That's going to reduce your steeze outside. You want to invest in lip oils, lip balm, Vaseline, anything you need. This is a lip balm, this is a lip balm, this is a lip gloss, this is a lip oil. I have Vaseline here. You need these things for your lips. Yes, don't be caught on fresh. Moisturize your lips before you go outside. Have something moisturizing for your lips in your bag when you are outside. So you would always, be ahead, one step ahead of this weather. So your lips will not be looking dry and chapped. So yes, you want to invest in that, in lip products for your lips. Another tip is you want to switch up your skincare, like I said. You need rich, creamy moisturizers for this period. If you feel like, oh, I already have a moisturizer, even though it is lightweight, I have an oily skin, but because of this Harmattan period, and it won't really last. Harmattan usually for like 2 months to 3 months max. You don't want to buy another moisturizer, you don't have the money. Please, you can get Vaseline. This small one, the last time I bought it was 500 naira. I don't know if it has increased now, but the last time I bought it was like 500 naira. So you can just get this one, get shea butter, original shea butter. Yes, get shea butter and use, please don't use your light milk moisturizers, because after a few minutes your skin is going to look dry, and that's when you not be like, ah boy, I applied moisturizer actually. You know how to be defending yourself outside that I actually applied cream this morning before I left the house. I don't know why my skin is looking dry now. That is the reason. That moisturizer is lightweight, it is not thick enough, it's not thick enough to like stay on your skin. Yes, it's not thick enough to stay on your skin for a long time. Another reason is also because you are not using your body oil. So even if you are using a lightweight moisturizer in this context, you can as well like supplement it with a body oil. Use a body oil to further lock in moisture on your skin. You get, to further lock in moisture on your skin, so you need a body oil. And please don't forget, you want to apply your moisturizer on a damp skin. Apply your moisturizer on a damp skin, do not apply it on a dry skin. It works better when it is applied on a damp skin. And you also want to go in with your body oil almost immediately after you have used your body lotion or your body moisturizer. That way it locks in. Yes, like it is locked in. It is locked in for a very, very long period of time. Another tip for this cold and dry weather is to exfoliate your skin. Yes, do not forget to always exfoliate your skin to reveal a more smooth and glowy skin. Yes, if your skin is well exfoliated, your product is going to work even better. Your body oil is going to lock in even better. Your body moisturizer is going to lock in even better. Your shea butter, your Vaseline is going to lock in even more better. Another tip is don't forget to always have like extra in your skin, in your bag or something if you are going out. Just like I mentioned for our lips, if you feel like you have like extra dry skin, like dry skin, you can just have like a small bottle where you put like a body oil in, or you take your small Vaseline, put it in your bag. Yes, so that in case you notice that, oh, my skin is already acting up, it's already looking all dry, just bring it out, put small, and moisturize. Yes, you don't want to be caught outside with dry skin. It is not fresh. And harmattan should not be the excuse why you are caught outside with dry skin. So last but not the least, guys, if you need like thick creamy lotion recommendation, you can go for the Eucerin body lotion. You can go for Nivea Cocoa and Radiant. Yes, I think Nivea, the Cocoa and Radiant one is thicker than the Even Glow, I think. Yes, that one is even more thicker. Palmer's, guys. Palmer's range of lotion are specifically made for people that have dry skin. So you can go for Palmer's, you can go for E45, even Vaseline lotion, not the petroleum jelly this time. There are lotions as well. They have lotions that have thick consistency and will help you to lock in moisture for a very long time. Yes. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, drop a comment, share this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.